Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the displaying all the movies available in our portal in the home page. So first at the top we are going to have a big search bar. So there you can have the search filter, and then after you are going to have the normal movies list. So let me go to the home page first. Close all. I think we already have the get all movies API. Okay. Yes, get all movies API. So let's close this out and go to the pages, home, index. Okay, so here first we need the const dispatch. Dispatch is equal to use dispatch. Let's import this at the top. Yeah. Okay, then let's go to the admin ones, movies list. So you will be already having this data, use effect, put it here, which will call the get data, and this is the get data function to get the movies. Paste it here. You can see get all movies already there, and copy the movies array and put it here, and also copy all the stuff which is there here to avoid the errors. Control S. So whatever is not required, let's delete those things. This is not required. Movement, movie form, button, all these are not required. Okay, yes, I think we are good. So you will be having the movies data in this variable now. So here in the home page, first I am going to have an input field. It's a big input field, not our input. Okay, placeholder, search for movies. Let's see. Yeah, you got this, search for movies. But here for this input field I am going to write some custom styling. Class name is equal to search movies, search input. So it has to highlight in the home page. So go to the custom CSS, style sheets, custom CSS. So here I am just writing dot search input. Height I am going to make it 50 px. Yeah, it got increased a bit, and let's make it 60. Yes, this is fine. And let's have some border radius. Border radius 5 px. Done. Okay, search for movies. Yes. Now then after you are going to list the movies. Okay, so I am going to take the entity row. So for every movie I am going to allocate 8 columns. So for one row I am going to get 3 movies. So call span 8. Call span 8. Let's close this call span 8 first. Call and also movies. Okay, done. So here I am going to have the first thing. What I can say, call is not imported yet. Let's import this from the entity. So dot p2 dot shadow. So what I can say, first one will be, so let's have this as flex call gap 1. First one will be image, obviously image. So src will be movie.poster. So you can have some height and width here itself. Height 200, width 100%. So your width you need not to give. So let's see the output once. Awesome. So I think we need to give 4 movies per row, so let's have 6. Yeah, this is better. And shadow is missing, so go to the custom CSS. We have given a class name for that, right? Card. Okay, sorry, not shadow, it's card. Yeah, this is fine. So let's have some gutter 1616. Done. And go to the row and have class name empty1 or empty2, that's up to you. Okay, done. So let's have it empty2. Perfect. So this is okay, image is fine. So here this gap for the image is not looking good, so we will have gap only for the name. So image will be stretched to the normal card. So here I am going to remove the P2, so it will be stretched completely, and then I am going to have one more div dot flex dot gap 1. So first one will be h1 dot text md dot uppercase movie dot title. So here you can see I got this. Now here I can have the P1 or P2. Let's have P1. Fine. So this looks good. And then what I can say, this should be, instead of gap 1, let's make it justify between. So right side we are going to have the title, and left side I think only the title is enough, remaining we can ignore, because if you click on that you are going to get everything. So let's make it justify center. Done. So this is fine. And also this should be cursor pointer. If you click on this, you need to navigate to the, what I can say, description page. That means number of shows available for the movie. That page you need to navigate. Okay, so I'm just writing this cursor pointer. Okay, so now it is cursor pointer. Are we missing anything, or everything perfect? Okay, so gutter should be, instead of these, let's make it 20. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, let's write the on click. So I'm just writing it here. On click. So I'm going to navigate to movie/movie ID. So this is the route. Okay, so unexpected history. So this is not history, this is navigate. So let's import the navigate at the top. Const navigate is equal to use navigate. So you have lot of details to display for the movie, but in the home page we are going to display only image and title. So these things are enough to make the decision for the user to book these or not. So remaining, if they want, they can click on this, and in the next page we are going to show the remaining details also. So that's not a problem. So everything will work fine. You can see movie / something like ID, here also ID. So in the next lecture we are going to design the movie description page, where we will list all the shows for that movie. Thank you.